session on the series of lessons that we did concerning each and every, and then interested and interesting. So when you come to this particular session, what you are going to do is take your note for this channel, copy all the questions as you see them on the board, and from each of the brackets you have two options. Underline the correct option, one option from each of the brackets. If you do that, come back to the video as we provide the answers. Now, as a reminder, remember to get back to the videos for that lesson on each, every, interesting, and interested. But as a reminder, we said each is used for one of two or more things, taken one by one. Let me say that again. Each is used for one of two or more things, taken one by one. In other words, each is used more for individuals and specific. Use is thus more individual and specific. We use every. Every is never used with each. Every is never used in the place of each. Every means more than two things taken as a group. So when we say every, we always use that to denote more than two things taken as a group. Now when we go to interested and interesting, we say interesting refers to the thing which arouses interest, while interested refers to the person who takes an interest in a thing. The person who takes an interest in a thing. Now, let's get back to the questions as we provide the answers to that. Let's look at number one. Remember, from each of the brackets you have two options. Underline one correct option. Now let's go. Every one of the two oranges was rotten. What are you going to put there? Each one of the two oranges was rotten. Let's look at number two. Uloma has read each. Uloma has read every book of the library. What are we going to put there? Uloma has read every book of the library. Look at number three. I asked each. I asked every one of the two customers some questions. What are we going to put there? I asked each one of the two customers some questions. Look at number four. The teacher told each. The teacher told every child in class to sit on the floor. What are we going to put there? The teacher told every child in class to sit on the floor. Number five. Football is interested. Football is interesting only to those who are interested in it. What are the options you are going to underline? Football is interesting only to those who are interested in it. Let's go to number six. Are you interested in chess? What are we going to underline there? Are you interested in chess? Number seven. Sophie is the most interesting girl. What are we going to put there? Sophie is the most interesting girl. Look at number eight. The novel is interested. The novel is interesting from first to last chapter. What are we going to put there? The novel is interesting from first to last chapter. Look at number nine. Was the film interesting last night? What are we going to put there? Was the film interesting last night? Number 10. My sisters are interested. My sisters are interested in Latin. What are we going to put there? My sisters are interested in Latin. My sisters are interested in Latin. So, those are the answers. Let's go back to what we have done. Let's go back to what we have done. Let's go back to what we have done. Let's go. Each one of the oranges was rotten. Uloma has read every book of the library. I asked each one of the two customers some questions. The teacher told every child in class to sit down. Football is interesting only to those who are interested in it. Are you interested in chess? Sophie is the most interesting girl. The novel is interesting from first to last chapters. Was the film interesting last night? My sisters are interested in Latin. My sisters are interested in Latin. So, those are the answers for that. If you love our video, if you like our video, please share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.